So friends, let's see today's lovely prawn puffs, and for that we'll first make the filling. So here I have about 20 small to medium sized prawns which I have deveined and washed, and now I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. So you can cut each prawn into about 3 to 4 pieces and set them aside. Now in a pan I'm going to add half a tablespoon of oil and heat it up. This is all the prawns that I have cut up. And now I'm going to fry about 1 tablespoon of garlic. Then we're going to add the prawns, and we're going to fry the prawns really well for about 2 whole minutes. And then once it's done, transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Now to the same pan I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flour or maida. Fry the maida for about a few seconds, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. Basically this is a white sauce, and now we're going to make this into a nice smooth thick paste. And now you're going to add some salt to taste, and you're going to add some pepper powder, about half a teaspoon. Mix everything well, and then you're going to add the prawns which we cooked along with the garlic. Cook everything for about half a minute, and this filling is all ready. So now we're going to make the puff pastry. One and a half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, a pinch of salt, about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and about 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm going to take the flour, and to that I'm going to be adding the clarified butter or the ghee, and I'm going to crumble it up till it resembles some breadcrumbs. So ensure that all of the ghee coats the maida or the all-purpose flour really well. I've also added the salt to taste. Now I'm going to add a little water at a time, and we are going to knead this to a very stiff dough. So just about 1/4 cup of water will do. And then just knead this dough for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's nice and smooth, and then we're just going to keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now I've taken about half a cup of corn flour and 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee, and I'm just going to mix the two of them well together to get a very thick and smooth paste. Now our dough has been sitting for half an hour. I'm just going to divide it into 6 equal pieces and just roll them and keep them aside. Then I'm going to dust my surface, and I'm going to roll out one of the pieces or the balls of the dough, keep it aside, then roll a second one. Then I'm going to apply this corn flour and ghee paste all over the second rolled out dough, and I'm going to place the first one on it and keep the two aside. I'm going to repeat this procedure in this way. So I'm going to apply the paste to the one I rolled out, and then I'm going to pick up the one which is as a side, the 2 layers, and place it on this one, and then just roll it and keep it aside. So in this way I'm going to do it with all the rest of the 6 parts. Now when everything is done, I'm going to roll it out, and then I'm going to apply the remaining paste, and then I'm just going to fold it in this manner. Roll it out like this. As thin as possible. And then just fold it in this manner and then keep it aside. So now I'm going to roll out the puff pastry, and I'm going to cut these circles, and I've got these small little puff molds. I'm just going to butter them up, or I'm just putting some ghee, and I'm going to just put these rounds into these molds and shape them according to the mold. Just press them down so they get this lovely shape. These molds are available very easily in Crawford Market or at Cheap Jack in Bandra or even online. And now I'm going to put in the prawn filling. Be generous with the filling. And then I'm just going to, after I filled up all of them, I'm going to cover it with another circle like this and press it down like this. Cut off the excess. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then just cut across like this. That will let the extra heat escape, from this cut, and everything will cook also very well. And now you're just going to brush this with an egg wash. So I've just taken one egg, beaten it up, and I'm just going to brush it over so it gets that lovely golden brown color on the cover. And now we're going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on each oven. And let them come to room temperature once you take them out of the oven. And then once they're nice and cool that you can handle it, you can just demold it. It comes off very easily from the mold because we had, applied some ghee, and you can see the base is also nice and golden brown. So my oven took about 12 minutes. It depends on each oven. It may take about 15 minutes or so. But these prawn puffs are ready and they're so delicious. I have a recipe for chicken puffs which is on the same lines. I'll leave a link for that below. And there are many other recipes you can prepare with this puff pastry. So I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I hope you give it a try. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.